Let's see how to find duplicates in Excel. Select All. Then go to Conditional Formatting. Now, the duplicate data is highlighted and selected. Now, let's see how to delete duplicate data. Now you can delete your data according to the Format checkbox.